Good morning. Thank you for joining me today. This is David Rizzo with Rogers Gardens, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Culinary Garden. A culinary garden falls under a lot of different names. Sometimes people call them urban farms, chef's gardens, and the basis behind a culinary garden is to take a small area and really grow a lot of stuff in a really high yield way. So succession planting is one of them, where you're planting closer. You're planting them in rows, so carrots and beets and lettuce, you're putting them a lot closer and you're planting them closer because you're doing it for high production and high yields if you're supporting a restaurant, a farmer's market, or a CSA, or anything that where you want a lot of vegetables and you want a succession. The way I have this garden set up in terms of the design, since these rows are only 4 feet long, I have blocks of 2 feet wide vegetables. So I have a block of these Italian beets, the chayogas. I have romaine lettuce. I have French breakfast radishes. And so I don't have a row between them. Some culinary gardens will have a 1 foot row between each vegetables if the rows are longer, but I have it set up tight because these rows are short. When I'm preparing my soil for my culinary garden, I really want to use a good compost, and so I always look at using the Malibu compost and the earthworm castings. So I'm trying to loosen the soil about 12 to 14 inches down and then incorporating a really good compost because I want to get the nutrients up and really get that soil from being so compacted. And then I'll go through and I'll fertilize later on with a good organic fertilizer. So all the plants that I'm showing you today, like with the beets and the lettuce and the kale and the celery and the carrots, we carry these all in either transplants or seeds. And so if you need help with your culinary garden, you can come in and see me and we can help you and give you advice on that. This is David Rizzo. Thank you for joining me today, and we look forward to helping you design and plant your culinary garden.